Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 Web X. And so, a quick one today. Um, one of the subscriber actually sent in a message asking how he can change um, his YouTube channel user name, or aka what YouTube call a handle. So that means the URL is going to be let's say youtube.com slash maybe abc, right? Or maybe 365 webx. So to do that, we are going to type so sorry, you're going to type, or we are going to type, whichever one. All right. Okay, so you're going to enter studio.youtube.com slash channel, or you better still, once you log into your Gmail, you can just type in studio.youtube.com, and as you can see, I have this channel here. And to change the channel, so let me explain, right? So first I have to zoom in. So as you can see, okay, this is not zooming. So as you can see, up here in the address bar, we have studio.youtube.com slash channel slash this, right? So we're going to change that. To do that, you come down here and say where it says customization, and you want to click on basic information, and you can see where it says handle core brands. I can remove this and just leave it at core brands and publish, right? So go to channel. So right here you can see youtube.com slash add core brands. Okay, so this is your YouTube handle. So this has become our YouTube handle, right? So instead of using the random, bunch of letters and special characters and all of that, maybe numbers, we now have this youtube.com slash at core brand. So this is our handle. Okay, so that is how to change your YouTube handle, right? Just like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, and even in any other social media that you have out there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.